Keep back in his bed, man.
Back in better.
Boogie.
3,000 meters away.
Yo.
Stop doing that, man.
Hey, get more RAM.
Stop doing that, man.
I'm running 8 gigabyte, doggy. Don't do that to me.
Yeah, I got 64.
Oh
Yeah, I don't wanna hear
my
it.
god. Oh wait, no, I have. Oh, I thought you meant VRAM. I got like 32. Is it the RAM really?
Yeah, and you have to have it downloaded.
SSD?
What kind of memory do you have? Yeah.
Yeah.
How much do you have?
2 terabyte and a 1 terabyte.
Okay. Yeah. So I have 2 SSDs. I got one for my boot drive and one for my SSD where I download my games to.
Damn. I don't even know what I got.
Alright, well, I know there's a team that spawns over here,
Oh yeah?
so we're gonna try to see if I can find these guys before they find us.
So they found a Boogie. Now what? I think it walked through fire.
Oh, found him.
Where? Thing first, Boog. I'll take shots.
They ran. I saw a figure right there. I saw a figure right there on ping.
Man, please fucking climb. Thank you.
There's a hornet about to drop. Fly up to you. Oh shit.
Watch out with that fucking Bastion. That should lock on you quickly. Done. Nope, not yet. Okay, I should be able to walk. Fuck. Okay, I'm going. On left.
Yeah, I saw one guy run right near this wall, but they're probably way far ahead of us now. They're probably in here,
In the
honestly.
building. Yeah. Anybody bring a zip?
I did.
I have one. If anything, we need to get on
All the way
top.
up here?
Yeah, put us on top if you can. Yeah,
That chilling?
Yep.
Rick?
Alright, I'll show you how to take a zip, bro. Gotcha.
Yeah, please.
Alright, when y'all come up, don't run.
Enlighten me.
I kind of want to find out where these guys are at before we start moving.
I think they kept on stepping. That shooting. Over here.
Rocketeer, down there.
Yeah, Rocketeer's looking at somebody in the warehouse. Grab a zip. Can somebody set it to this building?
Yeah, I'll get a zip.
There's shots behind us.
Oh, right here?
Oh, right on the ground.
Down there.
Oh shit, yep. Hold up. Let him get in the open. He's gonna get hit by that pop. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I got him. Wait. Oh wait, nice.
Now there might be a team somewhere.
Get that finish.
Alright, this team's probably in the warehouse.
Yep.
Yeah. I see. Rocketeers aggroing over here.
Danger. Over there.
There's people behind us. We could take that zip that we placed down. So just, anybody got a jolt mine or anything like that to place? Close to
I
that
don't.
zip?
I have a trigger nade.
That ain't gonna work.
Just throw it on there behind that thing. If they
We'll have to watch
see
it.
him pulling up on the zip. Yeah, it's cool. If we hear him, dude,
Okay.
they won't even see that shit
I'll
coming.
do it.
Yeah. I would hate for them to do that shit.
There's people in the building with us. Oh, no,
I think
wait.
they just took the zip up. They just took the zip up. They're in here. Is there a way to get up here? JP, boost me up. JP, boost me up. Come here.
Yeah, there's people definitely
Stand
here.
up. Come on.
Oh, open door.
Jump. Oh, fuck, come on, never mind. Got that guy, boost. Heal up. We're watching you.
Another one
Push
dead.
in that.
Push.
Oh, behind me.
Can I see before I go? Finish one. Other one got away.
Behind us too.
Where were you
Oh.
getting shot from?
Over there,
Free kick.
from
Yeah,
the
free
zip.
kick.
Danger. There.
Oh, he's on the
Front
roof.
zip?
He's on the roof. I see him. I hit him. It's fucking lit up.
Hit him.
God damn. Oh, I think it was a hacker. Because I just
No,
got
that
shot
was-
from. Dude, I just got
Oh,
shot.
on me!
up here.
Inside! He's got macro! He's got macro!
Oh, we're dead. We're done for.
Anybody got
Oh, behind us.
Yeah, we're done. They zipped up.
Oh yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, they zipped up on our asses from behind.
Fuck.
Fucking shit, dude. He had a fucking macro, dude.
Nothing we could really do.
That shit was so fucking fast, bro.
Yeah, they just quite literally zipped straight up
Yeah.
from behind us.
Alright, you know what time it is, boy.
Free kid.
Yep.
Freaky.
That was a good run, I guess.
Somebody
Yeah.
pray for a zip line.
Go to that location.
Shut up, nigga. I'm here, guys. I just made it. I'm in. I'm here. I'm going. What do y'all get? I got a snap grenade and a door blocker.
I got a heavy fuse and a barricade kit.
Biggie?
Kettle, some light impacts, gas
Got a-
grenade.
Barrel.
Oh, you got booty. Kettle nice stuff. Got a rattler. Raining, but it's not electromagnetic.
Electromagnetism.
Electromagnetic. Come here, boy. Come here.
No.
I'm gonna get you, boy.
No.
You wait till I get some standing up. Good boy.
Oh, snitch.
Oh shit, run. Now it's on me, boys, it's on me. I'm gonna hide.
There's nothing up here. This fuck. Honestly, looking out a window in this rainstorm is very fucking nice.
Yeah, if you had the binoculars, we chill as fuck.
Like, you can see everything.
Hello, Nigor. Hello, Nigor.
Hello.
Hello. Yo, what the fuck? You can fall through this? What is this? Is this just a hole right here behind us?
Kinda.
Like a scaffolding thing?
Yeah.
Fuck.
This is what I use when we go to tower. I zip all the way up and then I land on like one of the top ones.
Bye-bye. Nope.
Oh my god, I did damage.
Okay.
I wouldn't jog all the way up. I'd just sit right here on one of these guys. Till these drones go the fuck away.
That nigga. IRL, you'd be dazed.
Oh my god, it's still there.
Man, fuck off, man.
Boom.
I'm just trying to find players. I haven't seen shit yet.
I'll aggro somebody, I got you.
Yeah.
Piss somebody off, hold on.
We need those flares. Those fake flares.
Oh,
I have a couple.
Really? Oh, in your
On you?
inventory?
No, not on me, but in my stash. I can bring them out next round. You can also buy them. Y'all aren't broke.
Yeah, no shit.
Yeah, just saying. Okay, you don't gotta get angry, bro. No shit. Fucking attitude. All right.
I'm so confused on where all the players are at.
We got an early spawn. They should be around here.
What time? Oh, there's people fighting up here. 2 flares. Oh, we're going center. Let's go.
Oh no.
God damn.
I
Always
missed.
just nigga falling, bro.
I always miss that dude.
Yo, JP,
What's up?
whenever you're done.
They're still fighting up there. A third guy just died, so we gotta hurry up and get up there.
Whenever what?
Play Fortnite. Whenever you're done, join the lounge. I'm gonna play Fortnite with my.
Oh, bet.
4th flare just went off. 4th flare.
Rick?
Hey, bro.
Hold on, there's a drone.
Fuck. I got spotted by the fucking drone. Fucking chased by the fucking drone. Had to go underground.
I saw that.
Hornet.
Yeah, they're down here.
Gotta head over to the Boogie, but I'm gonna be late.
Dude, just...
Oh, on me?
He's hiding. He found me.
Holy shit. Arc 2. Need assistant.
I'm dead. Yeah, okay. So they went over here. If you can get up here, get over to me and revive me, that'd be great. But
You don't have any heals, do you?
They're back out. Don't even come down here now. They just instantly fucking killed me. If I had trigger nades, man. They're like directly below you. Yeah, right there.
We all pushed in at like individually out of the team. Okay, guys. I understand. Somebody just get a little impatient. That's okay.
What is there an event going on?
Oh yeah, the hour just rolled, so we'll see.
What is it?
The
Oh.
hour just rolled, so we will see.
Alright.
Damn Battlegrounds Matriarch.
Alright.